Hello friends, today's topic, age 42 may get 2 crores for retirement. Is it enough? I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. As all of you know, we answer many questions which come in our chat box because large number of people ask some wonderful questions by answering which many other people will be benefited. Today we have selected few questions. The first question in full form is like this. I am 42 years old now. As per my calculation, I may get up to 2 crores for my retirement. Is it enough for my future? Our comments are like this. Number one, your calculation is showing 2 crores after 18 years. We are assuming that the monthly expenses are 40,000 as of now. At 6% per annum inflation, your monthly expenses may be around 1.15 lakhs. 2. So, yearly expenses in the first year retirement could be 1.15 into 12, 13.8 lakhs. 3. If we assume that your expenses don't rise above 13.8 lakhs per annum, your 2 crores may last for 2 crores divided by 13.8 lakhs is equal to 14 years. 4. But there will be inflation and hence the money may last for only 10 to 11 years or so. This means from age 60 to 71. 5. So 2 crores is not comfortable amount for lasting for entire retirement life of 20 to 30 years. 6. Take steps to earn money and invest more so that your retirement corpus could become 3 to 4 crores or so. This will help to live more comfortably. 7. When planning for retirement fund, don't underestimate the role of inflation in reducing the value of money. Second question for this episode is as follows. For one day, how to earn 1000 to 2000 from stock market? Please help me to teach it. Our comments. Number 1. If you want to make daily profit from stock market, you need to do either intraday trading or futures and options trading. 2. Irrespective of experience, knowledge of trading the above instruments, there is extremely high chances of loss. 3. It will give you a lot of thrill when trading, but there is no real profit from it. 4. When we discourage investors from intraday and FNO trading, most young investors may think that we are stopping them from earning quick money. However, experienced and mature investors will realize why we don't recommend it. 5. Many people are taking advantage of retail investors by claiming to teach FNO and are even recommending trading as a career. Please stay away for your own safety. The third question is as follows. I am 24 years old now. The last 2 months I have done options trading and lost 42,000. How do I recover the money? Our comments. Number 1. Losing hard-earned money in options trading is very bad mistake. As a 24-year-old, you have scope to invest well for long term and create a large corpus for the age of 45 to 50 years. 2. We hope that the amount was not borrowed and used for trading. 3. Don't think of recovering the money from options itself. Just invest for long term after learning about stock markets and mutual funds in detail. You will surely make good profit in the future. 4. The loss of rupees 42,000 is not very big and can be easily recovered through long-term investing. 5. Don't make the mistake of again doing options and trading. Increase the chances of losing further. The next question, which is very useful for everybody is, sir, I invested some money for short term in some defense stocks at a high price. Now it is down 20 to 25% from my price. What to do? I need this money after a few months. Our comments. Number 1. Ideally, you should do short-term transactions using technical analysis so that you will know the trend and sell when there is a downtrend. 2. Many of the PSU defense stocks have fallen 30 to 40% from their high due to high valuations. 3. There is a chance of an overall market rally for the next 1 to 3 months and later there could be correction. 4. However, due to the already high valuations, there is no certainty the defense stocks will go up with the market. 5. Just wait for a few days. If the loss reduces or comes to your cost, just sell. from next time by based on technical analysis rules so that you don't get stuck with money which you need for some purpose in few months. The last question in this episode is, I want to join your paid stock market course. When is the next batch? Our comments. Number 1. Our next stock market course batch will start in October. Keep watching for updates on YouTube videos. 2. You can also send a mail to successdigest@gmail.com with the subject stock market webinar with your name and mobile number so that we can send you an email once the details of the free webinar are finalized. 3. Please note that you need to attend a free webinar before you join the online paid stock market course. If you have not been a member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. And the message in this video is good and information was good, and type good in the chat box. Thank you for watching the video. Bye bye. All the best.